Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to my channel. If you're new, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I post new content Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays at 7 p.m. Eastern Time, so be sure you don't miss any of them. So today, I really would like to review what's called the Miss Rose Matte Lipstick. And I have that here. Oops, other way. It's the Miss Rose Matte Lipstick number 38, Hannah. And I'm assuming this is the color of the lipstick here. I actually purchased this off of Aliexpress. The seller's name is Crazy Feng Fashion Jewelry. And it was $2.83 with shipping included. So I figured I'd give it a try. They had a lot of positive reviews. I don't think I saw any negative reviews, and the ones that I did see was just related to shipping and it maybe taking longer than expected to arrive. But today I'm going to review this lipstick. So I'm gonna open it up. And before I do that, I must say the packaging on this is really nice. It's a nice kind of matte finish there. And so this is what it looks like. And again, I like the consistency of them actually showing you what the color is gonna look like, so it's not that big of a surprise. Here, and it is perfect, a perfect match. Okay, and so I'm going to go ahead and try this on. Before I do that, I'll do a little wrist test just so that you can see how it shows up on my wrist there. And so although it looks more like a brownish kind of nude color, as you can see, it's actually more of a pink. It has some pink tones in there, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and test this, but before I do, I'm gonna hop up for a second. Whenever I use a matte, sometimes it dries out my lips, and to avoid that, I always get a little bit of raw coconut oil. Just a little bit, not to the point where it messes up the matte finish, but just to moisturize my lips before I apply that. And again, you don't want to completely saturate your lips to the point where you ruin that pretty matte finish, but you just want to make sure you take care and moisturize your lips. So I'm going to go ahead and test this, and I'll actually bring a mirror up so that I can see a little bit better. And it glides on really nice. And as you can see, there it is. Again, it is a very, very kind of pink color. I was actually expecting more of a nude color. It does have some pink undertones, but it looks great. It feels soft on my lips. It does not feel sticky. There's no stick to it. This is actually a pretty good lipstick for $2.83. This is some damn good lipstick. I would definitely buy again. Like, it feels awesome and it looks great. I'm really curious to see what other colors they have. But Mrs. Rose number 38, Hannah, good lipstick. I would definitely purchase this. Again, I have product descriptions and information at the bottom of your screen if you are interested in looking into this, but I'm kind of in shock, honestly, because I was not expecting to like this lipstick as much as I do. Like, I'm probably gonna go order some more. This is great. So I would definitely give Mrs. Rose Matte Lipstick 2 thumbs up. All right, so again, make sure you comment. Let me know, have you tried the Mrs. Rose lipstick before? What shades have you tried? Just let me know what you think, and if you've already tried this product, how it looks on you or how you feel about it, because I love it. So I'm curious to see who else has tried it and what they think. So please feel free to comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Again, I do post Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Thanks for joining me. Bye, guys.